We can all agree that one of the saddest things about YouTube is when you go out, you shoot a video, you come back, edit that same video, upload it on YouTube, and you're getting 2 views, 3 views. Like, that is a very, very sad and heartbreaking reality, and that's one of the reasons why most people give up on YouTube. So recently I started a challenge where I get to post every day on YouTube to see what happens, and I think I started this challenge with about 148 subscribers, and this is my day 2. And in this video we're going to talk about how you can upload videos on YouTube and get more views. Like, I actually saw this video from a YouTube channel called Virginia Care, where she explained the whole uploading videos on YouTube the right way so that you can get views. And here are some of the things she shared. So we're going to use this video as an example. I'm going to use this video to do whatever she said on that particular video. And if you find this video and you're actually watching this video, then that means it works, because my channel lately have not been getting views. I think the last video I posted for my day 1 got about 2 views and it has been stuck there. So if you're new to this channel, or if the algorithm found you and you're actually watching this video right now, I think then that trick kind of worked. So the first thing she said is, when you're uploading a video on YouTube, the file name of the video you're uploading on YouTube, it should relate to what the video is kind of maybe talking about. Let's say you're talking about the best houses in US. The title of the video or the file name of that video should be the best houses in US. And it's quite interesting because when you upload a video on YouTube, it comes with the name you actually used to export the video. I think she said it has a way of affecting the algorithm from understanding what the video is about. So if you can change the name of the video you're uploading on YouTube before you upload it on YouTube, so that as you upload it, the YouTube algorithm or the YouTube system will actually tell what this video is about. And the second thing she said that was really shocking for me was, she actually said you can change the name of the thumbnail, that you should also edit the title of your thumbnail. Meaning, you know, most of us will definitely create thumbnails from maybe Canva on our laptops, and when we are uploading it, we just leave the file name like that and we don't really rename the thumbnail to relate to the video we are kind of creating. So she said you're supposed to edit the name of the thumbnail to relate with the video you're uploading so that the algorithm can also understand. So I'm going to do those things in this video and upload it to try out to see what is going to happen, and I really hope the whole thing works. And if you're new here, please follow the page, join me on this journey as I try to grow this YouTube channel to a reasonable amount of followers. And if you're also struggling with YouTube, you can also join me in this posting everyday challenge. I think I checked my channel, I just added about 2 subscribers, which is awesome. This is something that has not happened recently, so but my views are still very down. I don't know how this video is going to perform. If it performs well, then I think her trick works. I'm going to keep doing it. So stay tuned for day 3, and thank you for watching the video, and see you on the next video.